Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download iOS 14. So, let's get started. Before we go any further, I recommend you to back your phone up by either iCloud or iTunes, because if you don't, there's a chance that your phone can go in a boot loop, which Apple won't be responsible for it. So, I recommend you to back your phone up either by iCloud or iTunes on your computer. So the next thing you want to do after backing up your phone is you want to go to your web browser and go to beta.apple.com right there. After you're done doing that, you want to select your devices and scroll down until you see install profile. And it'll be a blue bubble that says download profile. And you would want to press allow, and just press close. So now it's in your settings. So after you have added it to settings, you would just want to go to profile downloaded. It's a tab, and it'll be a pop-up that will say do you want to install, and you would press install. But since I already have it, I'll just say remove download profile. And then you would just slide out and go to software updates. And you will just download it like a normal update. It'll just ask you to verify it, and then it'll start downloading. So that is how you download iOS 14 public beta. If you really like this video, thumbs up would be great, and sub would also be great. Share this video with as many people as you can, and my Twitter and Instagram would be linked down below, so go follow them to get updates on the next video. Till then, peace. Oh, and if you really like the wallpaper that I used, I'll just link it down below, right below the like button, so go check that out. It's pretty cool.